Hello, my name is Camilo. I'm 19 years old. I'm going to answer English. I'm going to the answer to the question English 5. English 5 and the Elon Musk millionaires. I'm going to the answer to the question, but I don't know read to the answer. What do you know about the millionaires? Elon Musk is an entrepreneur, visionary, and the economist, and recognized famous for the millionaires. He has to the appear to the Forbes list and recognized for the people richest of the world. Second question, what do you think of the business and companies? He has many money because he has to the owner Tesla and SpaceX PayPal. He has to the company of the petrol and to the innovation technology and innovation science. Third question. What is the influence the character has on the world and society? The influence in the society is very big because he has the opportunity for the labor, for the work, and he has the company is very necessary in the country. He has heal to the few resource and he has to the comfortable of the society. Fourth question. What do you think of use to make of his money? My experience of the movies and the series and the opinion for the people is the mentality is very big because innovation for the technology heals and innovation for the science, and they learn and needed of the people and create to the new products and created and the new products and the famous and the company for the quality of the company is to heal innovation and company and all those to heal in the recognized. 5 question. What would you do if you were in the millionaires? I hit to the people for the few on the food and the house and the few resource for the life. It's important to the heal and to the people for to the develop and the principle and knows about the experience and I don't know to the thing. I don't know to the path for the future. Thank you.